Oh, we got about 2 hours. That's great. Process starts pulling all. What is that? Leaves? We got a bunch of leaves. So we're gonna start pulling pulling all of these down to tackle this valve cover.
Don't buy E90s.
So came here to work with Mr. Chris Allen Auto Works. If y'all didn't notice, I'm on his channel as well. He's on my channel. Those who don't are, I say, new to this thing. But the regular people that have been watching the videos been seeing this man face from every garage we have ran to. So
yeah, from Rudy,
from Rudy, 233rd, Connecticut, and now we're back in. No, not back, but we're in Scarsdale now.
Yeah, I think I'm officially a shop whore.
Yeah, but don't worry, I'm keeping up with him. He does good work, so check him out. Allen Auto Works in Scarsdale. But yeah, so today dealing with this thing, get this valve cover. So those of you who have been following the channel should know in March of 2023, yeah, just a few months ago, was that about 9 months? Yes, about 9 months. And now my thing is leaking. The gasket is fine around the edge of the valve cover, but the ones for the spark plugs and coils, yeah, that's what's leaking. Now, what we're gonna do is do the whole process over to change that gasket. I got the OEM gaskets for the E90 for there was a 06 was the magnesium style covers.
My E90 style?
Yeah, this brother right here, his E90. And what we're gonna do with that is use those gaskets because those are OEM gaskets. Because what the gaskets that come with the valve cover kit is trash. Because you see, it's 9 months and it's leaking. So, stay tuned as we continue going on.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Hey, turn on the live, come alive.
I can't.
Don't record this because I'm gonna start cussing back.
Wait. I can't say how many hours we're in on this, but you know, progress is being made.
Baddest is trying to make me look bad. We ain't that many hours in. Don't listen to Baddest.
Well, we started about 6 o'clock, 6:30.
Hey, I ain't giving no time. Baddest, I give too much information. I get things done.
But remember, they don't know what time is it now.
I don't care what you're telling me. Baddest is trying to.
All right. So got the cover off. Old gasket.
BMW engineers, you guys fucking suck. BMW engineers, y'all come, y'all cuss all the other one. Jesus. Wood.
Alright, so old gaskets are out. She's all bent up on tear up, but the leaking was from these. See how that looks. Aluminum valve cover. No problem with the valve cover, it's just that we have that leak. So got this off, put this back on soon. Take me a break right now.
Marble cake or pound cake?
Whichever. So look, he came in with the snacks. Okay, thank you. I guess he'll take that one.
That is overworking me.
I know Auto Works, that's part of it.
Auto Works, we're dedicated to getting it right, done right, and on time. So I'm putting in the extra work to get his car done, even though I should be in my bed.
Or you should be finishing this V8.
Hey, don't look like this. Don't look like this. This is other work.
That's that bi-turbo AMG.
That's it. That's a X63 getting a tune-up.
We'll talk more about that at a different time. So, sucking out all this excess oil. music sounds like when I'm drinking from my soda out of a straw.
You're on the wheel.
We'll move it together.
Damn.
And that's it.
6, yup. That was real.
That's why that's the type that we get misfired. That's why you said the
That was.
misfire.
Yeah.
Everybody do in the comments, why is he doing that?
Don't worry about it.
Just don't get those plastic.
Six hours later. Yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta do that transition. 6 hours later.
So,
Oh, this is nice.
right now, we got the cover back on. But
I recommend that no one do this.
I wasn't able to record while I actually had to assist Chris this time instead of just watching him and recording him. So I had to grab a hand. So I'm gonna let you see what we had to do. You see all these wires?
Dash them way.
We had to pick them and move them and yeah, got them out the way. Those of you who don't have the secondary air pump business, you don't gotta worry about this, but this was in my way too.
Yo, secondary air pump hose, whatever this is. I don't remember. People, delete these things. They serve no purpose. Delete them.
So, and you
Come
see,
to Island Auto Works, you make the delete.
and you see by the ECU how we have to pull all of those out as well. So, right now we're just putting everything back.
No, we're not. I'm throwing away half the shit.
Now we're putting shit back to make it look like we're OEM Plus or OEM Factory, however you want to call it.
This OEM
And then after that, we're gonna do a full detail underneath here, make sure there's nothing out of place. Oh, this is kind of dusty right here too.
Baddest talking shit. I don't know what full detail he getting.
Look at this. This needs to clean. I don't know what Chris was doing. Yo,
Power watch.
hold on. I see fingerprints. I don't know what's going on here.
I'll leave it to the fingerprints.
Nah, but we doing good still. We doing good.
Baddest is back to watching as I work hard, but you know something?
All
I can't blame him because when we was doing the photo shoot, he was working while I was joking.
This how it goes now. We take turns. No, it's unfair. All right, cut the video. We didn't see that drop. Yo, man, just drop a screw, but luckily,
It's straight down ground, but
it went straight down somewhere.
Listen, that's one of the ones that up there.
So we good. We good. I'm gonna put y'all on break again, cause yeah, I don't feel like holding the camera right now. 2 eternities later.
Tell you. Yo, don't buy an E90. It's not worth it. Unless it's a 335. Or built by Island Auto Works, you know?
See, he says that now, and then when the 235 comes in, we got some issues to deal with.
As long as it's not Chris's 335, I'll be good. Reza, you heard me? Not joking. Anybody but you.
It's anybody but you. Nah, but
Alright, boom.
we're doing good. We're doing good.
Boom.
That looks crazy over there. And it's funny, the wires sticking out like that, and
What?
that's how it is.
What was?
Over there by the ECU.
These?
DMB, whatever you want to call it, yeah. No, I understand that, but it just looks wild.
Yeah, no, that's how it is. Unfortunately. Baddest is trying to catch me fucking up. I'm not having it.
You got to cut or something like that, but yo.
See, look, I told you I ain't right.
So look at me. Can you see the sleep in my face?
Yes.
Yo, I'm not gonna tell you what time it is, but just know we put in the work.
Only I don't know the works. Never again. Yo.
So,
Alright, that back on. Oh, we need this on the
get out of the way. Alright, so we're gonna put on that the way I do. Put on the glamour cover and all that stuff there. If you feel like you did something great. Wow. Alright, back to what we started with.
Fuck that. It only matters.
This was recorded for like 5 minutes. Alright, so that's pretty much what we call a wrap. Oh, you know what I didn't get? Man, cold, but I'm gonna do it real quick. You know, you got the MK6 out here, but that's not what is we coming to go check out. Check it. Island Auto Works decals. Side skirt. Man thing up. Alright. I'm about to call it a wrap. It's cold out here. Whew.